suspended on Amazon, they don't want you to know that you can make a stealth account, and I'm going to show you some tips to create one in today's video. So first things first, I already have a stealth account. I've made over 50 stealth accounts with my team. You can see it's literally a computer inside another computer, and it has its own IP, its own MAC address, its own location, and it's usually called a sandbox, which is a separate entity where data can't be leaked out. A VPN, data can actually be leaked out, Amazon will find out, and then you are screwed, right? So that's why we use something called an EC2 instance, which is also a virtual machine. Now, I'm gonna be giving you kind of steps on how to create this stealth account, but before we go into the virtual machine, those crazy things, you wanna know what are the steps? Like, what do you need before you create a stealth account? And the first thing you need is a close friend or a family member. This person, this friend, cannot be living with you. They're gonna be the ones that are creating the new Seller Central account. They're gonna sign up as an individual, they're gonna use their own laptop, their own Wi-Fi, and they're gonna be in their own house. They're never gonna come to your house and log into the account on your Wi-Fi, because then they'll get suspended. So they're gonna make it at their house, have everything ready and set up. While they're getting approved for an individual Seller Central account, you're gonna be starting a new business in the USA. Amazon can't really track businesses. This is one of the best ways. You can go to LegalZoom, start your own business, Josh LLC, bada bing, and then you're good to go. Probably best if you don't put your name in it, but again, just an example. You're gonna have a new phone number because you're gonna need this for Amazon. You can use phone.com to get a new phone number. I've used it myself. You're gonna want a new email address, so you can use Gmail or you can use Proton Mail. Either one works. A new business bank account. American Express, you don't even have to go in person, and you can get a business bank account online extremely quickly. So American Express is one of the best places to get a business bank account. Plus there's no fees at all that I've seen. If you go in person to your local business, they usually say $1,500 minimum checking, right? American Express doesn't do that. Then you want a business credit card. So this credit card is gonna be in the business name. So if you put all these new business stuff on Amazon, nothing has your name on it, you're gonna be good to go. It shouldn't have the same address, it shouldn't have the same name. We're gonna get to the address point. But anyway, American Express is one of the easiest business cards to get approved for. There's also Chase. The virtual machine. To get a virtual machine, I'm gonna explain step by step how to get this in a future video. But right now, it's called aws.amazon.com. This is AWS. Amazon actually stores a lot of military things in here, so it's extremely secure. If you don't want to use AWS, because it still is an Amazon company, you can use Microsoft Azure. That one's a little bit more clunky. I've used that, but AWS hasn't caused us an issue once. A new laptop. I always recommend having a new laptop or a laptop that's never logged into Amazon ever, but I prefer a whole brand new one. That's just my recommendation. Obviously, you're gonna need good credit to actually get approved for a credit card. Unless your friend gets the credit card, it's up to you. But good credit for you to get a credit card. And your business address, right? So again, once you make this account, everything's in your friend's name. It's in your friend's bank account. It's in your friend's credit card. Everything's in your friend's name, as if they're selling on Amazon themselves. Once they're done that, you're gonna go to their house and you're gonna be like, hey man, let's change the legal name from John Smith to your new business name, which is now Sell on Amazon LLC. They're gonna change it. They're gonna put that EIN number on. You're gonna change the phone number to that new phone number that's never been on Amazon before. There it is, the phone.com number. You're gonna change the email to that new email address from your friends to the new one. They're gonna change the bank account to the new business bank account. You're gonna change the credit card from your friend's credit card to the new business credit card. You're never gonna log into the account on your new laptop or in your house. You're gonna do it via an AWS. So your new laptop is going to be solely, the purpose is to go into your laptop and then log into a virtual machine. That part might be a little bit confusing, but again, I'll explain that in a future video. but you need good credit to get that actual credit card, that business credit card. And then you're going to have that new address. So you can leave it as your friend's address if you want. This part, you can just leave it. But if you want to update your address, just in case, you can update it to a new business address. And you can get that with iPostal. It's about $10 a month. Finally, so again, I kind of went over everything. It sounds complicated, but it's not. If you have a step-by-step checklist, it's honestly, all this could probably take a week to 2 weeks, less than a month, 100%, to get a second account up and running. Not too bad if you look at the scheme of things. So we had an Amazon seller is making $100,000 a month. Then they got suspended and they reached out to us and they were like, we got suspended from a customer complaint. I'm like, come on, Amazon, you suspended a company for a customer complaint, and they think it was a competitor that complained about a product, which got their entire account shut down. Super terrible. Now, as you know, if you try to get your account reinstated, it usually takes 30 days minimum. Even if it's like not your fault, it takes a while to get reinstated. But what they could have done is had a second stealth account already up, already had their listings ready to go on that stealth account, and then kind of just started selling again. So that's what we had to do. And then while we were doing that, we were getting them reinstated. It did take 30 days, fortunately, but with Amazon, you never know how long it's going to take. Now you kind of have the basic guidance on how to create a stealth account. If you don't have knowledge into EC2s or virtual machines, I do have a step-by-step course that goes through this. It takes a lot of time, more time than I can give in just a YouTube video. But right now we do have a lot of people. I think we have over 40 people who signed up for this course, and you're able to reach out to us anytime with questions or concerns. As you can see, we have 4.8 stars on this. Not bad. You can just go to Udemy, type in Amazon Stealth Course. There's also a link in the description. But I'm just going to be explaining everything I already explained, but I'm just going to be going through this step by step to get this going yourself. Now, again, we do have a lot of large sellers. Once you start making that $100,000 a month, you're making more than $1 million a year. I always recommend just having a backup account, having a stealth account. So that way, if something does go wrong, you've got that backup account ready to go. I currently have 4 stealth accounts myself and 7 my company. So this is old. We've created this course. We've created this a while ago. It still works. We've done over 50 total. So a lot more. To create a free video, this is just a free video on kind of how it works and how you can do it yourself. If you have prior knowledge, or you can go through this, you have knowledge in EC2s or cybersecurity, or want to go through it, the course goes through everything I just talked about. Like, I'm giving you everything, but I can't provide the step by step because I don't have a video on that right now. But that's in the course. So it's up to you. I hope I gave you some knowledge on like how to do it. It's completely not illegal. It's just frowned upon. It's going to piss Amazon off. But if they don't know, who cares, right? So if you did get caught, you got multiple accounts. It's not illegal. All right. So yeah, we've done it. You can reach out to us. I don't want any Chinese sellers trying to come in and create stealth accounts and ruin the whole game. So I did put it on Udemy for step by step. But I really hope that this helps you become a better seller, have multiple backup accounts. So if Amazon decides, or a competitor decides to try to ruin your business, you've got backups. Maybe you're sweating a little bit, but it's not as bad as it could be. That's why it's always good to be prepared, especially during the good times. And that's it for today's video. Want more stealth account tips? Drop your questions and let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, creating a stealth account, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and making a backup stealth account for you that's ready to go. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of doing the day-to-day operations and all the second redundancies that you need to have for a stealth account. We'll be there to fix the issue, move everything over, and make sure you're saving time, money, and increasing your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.